Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to install your fax module board or kit in your Konica Minolta Bizhub C308 or 258. Same process on all those models. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to have one of my assistants here do the process while I record. So first thing you're going to do is open up the side door, and you're going to find a clear plastic cover with one screw in the center, as you can see right there. Take that out. Then you're going to find another two screws there, which we don't have. Let me go ahead and get closer so you can see it. It's going to be a, oops, there you go. You're going to have a plate there that looks just like the one on top. We have it removed because we have a fax on this unit already. But all you have to do is take one screw there and one in the bottom, which you'll see the holes right there, just like that. Take that out and remove that panel. You can throw it away if you want, or save it if you ever want to get rid of the machine and take the fax out. But okay, so once you do that, you slide it in just like that. It's just as easy, it just slides in there just like that. And get your Phillips screwdriver, number 2 is fine. And you're gonna put a screw right where it's the same screw that you remove the plate. Let me get a little closer there so you can see it. Give me 1 second. Okay, we're going to put the screw there. Now, so I'll show you in just a second. Once you put those two screws, you're going to see them right there. I'm going to make it a little clear. So right there, you're going to have the two screws right there. One on top and one on bottom. That's all you have to do for bolting down the board. Now you're going to take the USB cable that the fax board comes with, and you're going to see right there, let me get a little closer. You're going to see an opening there. There's going to be two of them. You could put it on the far left one, just like that. Go ahead. Just like that, so it's going to fit in there just like that. On the far left one. Then you're going to get your other ribbon. It's a connector with a whole bunch of cables to it, and you can see it right there. Just make sure you align it properly and push it in there, and that's all you have to do. You have to tuck those cables in between those plastic. You'll see once you remove this hand, you can see how it's tucked away. Okay, so there you go. Let me go ahead and zoom in here. It's just tucked away, just for safety, so it doesn't pinch any of the cables. So once you do that, all you have to do is put the plastic back into place, and that plastic, let me go ahead and zoom back out. That plastic is just a protector. Just cover the cables from getting damaged or so. Put that screw back in there just like that. And that's all you have to do for there. Now, we're gonna have to get into service mode. And in order to do that, you have to turn the machine off. By the way, when you do this, make sure the copier is off. I probably should have told you that at the beginning of the video, but the copier should be off. Okay, so now that your machine is on, we're going to get into service mode. So follow these steps carefully, okay? So to get into service mode, we have to hit the menu button. You have to hit the counter tab on the top. Hit the key display pad right there, so that displays the keypad, and you're going to hit stop 00, stop 01. And if you didn't get that, just rewind this video and you'll hear it. So again, it's stop 00, stop 01, and it takes you into service mode. You now go to System 2. You now go to Option Board. And then now you're gonna see where it says fax circuit 1. Make sure you hit set, and then you hit end, and then hit exit, and that's all you do. So your fax is now initialized. One thing I have to point out is when you put your fax line, you're gonna some fax boards don't come with this little plastic cover here, but it's important that your telephone cable to your fax goes to line 1, which is on top, not the bottom. The bottom is if you were to do a handheld set a handset, phone if you want to hear. Nobody ever does that. So that's why a lot of the faxes already come with this covered. You can pull it out if you want, but they keep it covered just to make sure you put it on the top. So there you have it. Any questions, give us a call. Thank you.